channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix this brava jet. So stay tuned. What you'll need is a screwdriver and a mopping pad and a robot. So what you're going to do is, if you want to replace the mopping pad over here, all you'll need to do is this. Just put it like this, push this button, then the mopping pad should fall out. There it goes. Look how dirty is it? So, if that's how you do it, and if you want to learn more about how to, what you're going to do is, you see this, and we're going to put this mopping pad on. So you see this? I don't know if you can see it, but there's an arrow here. You just have to follow the arrow and slide it down. Just like that. And then what you do, and that's how you fix this type of brava jet. And we're also going to learn how to fix or replace the battery. And to replace the battery, what you'll need to do is you'll need to, you see this? You'll have to use your screwdriver over here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to place it like that. Okay, I'll just show you. So what you have to do is just, you see this? You see that little box? You just unscrew it. I like to flip it all the way over around. So this, you unscrew it like so. And you use this type of screwdriver. And then what you do is, it's quite hard. So what you do, this part, taking it out, is a little bit hard and tricky to my opinion. Taking out the battery. Yeah. In my opinion, taking out with the battery is so hard. I'll just see you back soon. And then what you do is pull this out, and then it should look like this. And then iRobot. And then on this part, it should look like that. Then you replace it with this new battery. Just slide it in. And then you screw everything back together. And I hope you liked. That's how you fix this thing. And if you like this video, then give this a thumbs up and please subscribe. And if you want to learn how to fix other robots, if you want to learn how to fix them, then just subscribe to my channel and click the notifications bell, like and subscribe. Bye.